Ravi.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Nirvi is coming in 2 minutes.
Okay, no problem. Hare Krishna Tanvik. Hare Krishna Vrinda. Where are you? No, I don't have it. Hare Krishna Janvi. Hare Krishna Mataji is also there. Hare Krishna Pranam.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Okay, we will start the class with the pranam mantra. No, wait. Okay.
Mataji, there's only 8 people.
I hope so. Eventually, we'll join. I'll ask Mataji if we can just go ahead.
Hare Krishna, this is Bala Vrinda. Hare Krishna Bala Vrinda.
Hare Krishna Vrinda.
Kesavi Mataji. Hare Krishna Vrinda.
Mataji, can we go ahead and start the class or should I wait? Mataji?
Mataji, start Mataji. We are ready. Recording and everything is ready.
We will start with the prayer, okay? Om Jnana
Timirandasya Nananjana Shalakaya Sakyarumiritam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha
Shri Gurave
Namaha
Namo
Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swami
Namaste Saraswati
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda
Paschatya Desatarini
Jai Shri Krishna
Chaitanya Prabhu
Nityananda Nanda Shri Advaita Gadadara Shri Asadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda
Hare Krishna
Hare Krishna
Hare
Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Rama 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 Hare
Krishna Hare
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Rama
Hare Krishna
Krishna Krishna Hare Rama 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 Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Are you done chanting 11 times? Yes. Can we go to the today's class? So everybody has to be quiet, okay?
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna Mataji, this is Gokul. Hare Krishna
Oh, Hare
Mataji,
Krishna.
this is Surabhi. This is Shubhadra.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Subhadra
Krishna
Devi.
Mataji,
Hare
this is
Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji,
Hare Krishna.
this is Surabhi. Hare Krishna Mataji,
Okay, Hare Krishna to everybody present, okay?
Hare
Can
Krishna,
we go to the class?
Hare Krishna Mataji, my name is Surabhi. Hare Krishna Mataji, my name
Hare
is
Krishna,
Gokul.
everybody. Now can I start with the class, please?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. So, okay, Balram, go ahead and read the title. Now then I will continue. You will not interrupt me after that.
The killing of Satyajit and Satyabhama.
So we saw yesterday, right, in the class, how Krishna got the jewel from Jambavan. You know how he got the, blessed by seeing Krishna, and then he married Jambavati, and then he returned the jewel back to Satyajit, isn't it? Everybody, please, can you please be on mute, parents? Small children, I please request them to keep the microphone on mute, please. Everybody. Okay, so then what we saw? We saw that, how Krishna, he married Jambavati and then he returned the jewel back to Satyajit. And then, Satyajit was very happy and he asked Krishna to keep the jewel, but he said, no, it's okay, you can keep with you. And then he offered his daughter's hand, Satyabhama, isn't it? And then he came back to Dwarka, right? So he took Satyabhama and then he went to the palace. But now we see what happens, even after getting the Samantaka jewel. Can you just leave it? It's okay. So even after getting the So even after getting the jewel, there is still problems ahead for Satyajit. It's not an easy route, isn't it? It's a very expensive jewel he's keeping because he had a desire, even though he was offering to Krishna, he actually from within his heart, he still wanted to keep it. Okay. He did not want to part with it because it was giving, it was giving around, 170 pounds of gold every day. So that is a lot of gold and he was not ready to part with it. Though outwardly he was ready to offer the jewel to Krishna. Now we see what happens. So now Krishna and Balram, they wanted to visit Pandavas in Hastinapur. So they wanted to visit Pandavas in Hastinapur. And so Satyabhama, instead of living alone in the palace, so she went to her father's place. So what happened meanwhile, Satyajit, he was sleeping one night and this person, Shatadhanvan, what did he do? He crept in the night time and he killed Satyajit and he took the Samantaka jewel from him because, everybody is now greedy after that jewel, isn't it? That's what happens when we have something very precious. What happens, we try to keep it very safely with us. But, somehow or the other, we have a fear, who might come and take my precious thing away from me. So that's what happened. So, and then what happened? All the women of the palace, they started crying. And Satyabhama came and she saw her father is dead. And she also started crying. She was like, oh, my father. And then what did she do? She immediately took the chariots and she went to Hastinapur because she had to get Krishna and Balram back to Dwarka, isn't it? So then she went to Hastinapur and then she told Krishna what had happened and that her father had been killed by Shatadhanvan. So now what happened? Now Krishna has to get hold of this wicked person, Shatadhanvan. But let's see what happens. Okay, next time. So then Shatadhanvan, what did he do? He could not keep the jewel because he was now very scared. He was like, okay, he had killed Satyajit and he had made a mistake. Now what to do? So he immediately went to Akrura, he went to Akrura and Kritavarma and he told, what had happened, like he had killed Satyajit now. And then he said, but can you please help me? What did they do? They said, we cannot help you Because Krishna and Balram are the supreme personality of Godhead. And anyone who knows how strong they are, they would never dare to anger them. And they were now even Akrura started telling, how Krishna, he was just 7 years old, how he had lifted the Govardhan hill, isn't it? It's not very ordinary. And how he had killed Kamsa, who was very, very, very strong person. So he is no ordinary person and we cannot help you. Now you have to bear the anger of Krishna because of the heinous act that you have done. So what could he do now? He knew Krishna would come and chase him. So he immediately left the Samantaka jewel with Krura and he left Dwarka on his chariot with the horses and he went very, very fast. Now Krishna and Balram, they know Shatadhanvan is not here, so they have to chase him. Okay, so they started, running behind him because now they have to get hold of him because he had made a very, very big mistake and he has to be punished for it. So what happened? Shatadhanvan, he was riding.
Mataji, I have a question.
Okay, who is that?
Mataji, I have a question.
Okay, Gokul and Surabhi, you have a question. Can it wait till the class? Can you hold on to that question, please? Okay, I will come back to you. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, then what happened? The horses, they were running so fast, even they are animals. Even we get tired after doing a lot of exercise. How do you feel? For some time it is very, fresh, but after, if you keep on continuing doing it, even you get tired. So like that, the horses were exhausted. They were so tired, that near the farmhouse in Mithila, they just fell and they gave up their body. So now what have to do? What happened to Shatadhanvan? Now he started walking because there is no chariot, but he has to still, he knows Krishna and Balram are coming behind him. So he has to keep moving. So he started running. Now Krishna and Balram, Krishna saw, okay, his chariot is not there anymore. So let him chase on the legs. So he started following him. But it did not take Lord Krishna time to catch up with him. So immediately, how did he kill Shatadhanvan? He used his Sudarshan Chakra to chop his head off. And then that's how Shatadhanvan gave up his body and he died. Then Krishna started searching for the jewel, because he's supposed to have taken the jewel from Satyajit. So now when he searched, he could not find the jewel anymore. So he said, okay, now let me go back to Dwarka and see where he might have left. Have to see all the places where he went. So when he went back home, he told Satyabhama, okay, like Shatadhanvan has been killed and then they have to perform the funeral rites. When somebody passes away, we do some, some rites that we have to perform because the person has given up his body. So he did it for Satyabhama's father. And then, what happened? Then, Krishna, he knew. Because who is Krishna? He's Supreme Personality of Godhead. He knew who had the jewel. So he immediately called for Akrura and Kritavarma. And then he told to Akrura, my dear uncle, I know, Shatadhanvan, he left the Samantaka jewel with you. Because wherever the jewel is, there is no hunger. Yesterday Mataji told, right? Because of the jewel, there is no sickness, no hunger, and it makes so much of gold, 170 pounds of gold every day. And I know you have a golden altar in your temple. So, you must be having the jewel. So please bring the jewel to me. So he immediately got the jewel and he gave it to Krishna, and Krishna showed the Samantaka jewel to all his family and relatives and everybody because he did not want anybody to doubt him. Okay, and then what happened? As soon as he took the jewel out, how was the jewel? It was shining very, very brilliantly, isn't it? Like blazing sun. It was so bright and beautiful. So, and then Lord Krishna said, this is not an ordinary jewel and not any and everybody can keep the jewel, and because Akrura he was a devotee of a Lord and he was a very good man. So Krishna said, you can keep the jewel until Satyabhama's son, he grows up and then he can take it back from you. So that is the story we will stop here today. Okay, and then tomorrow Mataji will continue the next part. Okay, now, okay, Gokul and Surabhi, you had a question. So before I start, I wanted to ask you, what was your question? Gokul and Surabhi? Gokul and Surabhi, you had a question to ask, so I'm waiting for you. Can you go ahead and tell me what was the question?
In Mahabharata, they was telling the story when Bhim hit Duryodhan. Then Duryodhan called his friend, and then Duryodhan tells his friend kill the little Pandavas, and then Krishna told to Draupadi, your baby will die for Duryodhan's friend, and then he killed him, and then they were so late. Draupadi was late, and then they died.
Oh, okay, yeah. So you're talking about the Ashwathama killing Draupadi's son? Are you talking about that story, Surabhi?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Surabhi. Thank you. Okay, so now, okay, now I have some questions for you. But you know what? Before we go to the questions, can anybody tell me, why, even Krishna did not have to ask anybody, but he knew Akrura was, like the jewel was with Akrura. Why do you think? Can we hide anything from Krishna? Can we hide?
No.
When you cheat or when you do, when you lie. Yes, we cannot. Krishna is in our heart, right? He knows everything. He's present in everybody's heart. So he knows, even though, Akrura did not have to come and tell him anything, Krishna knew. And also, you know what? Shatadhanvan, he was a very bad person. But could anybody save him if Krishna had decided that he has to die? Could anybody save him? No.
Mataji.
Yeah, but what about Prahlad? Hiranyakashipu, he tried so many ways. Some snake, even his sister Holika tried to kill him. Trying to throw from the cliff. But was he able to kill Prahlad Maharaj? No, because if Krishna decides that you are not supposed to die, then whatever anybody does, you cannot go against the will of the Lord. Okay, that is two important lessons that we can learn. Okay, now tell me, where did Krishna and Balram go for a few days, while Satyabhama was in Dwarka? Where did they go?
Hastinapur.
Okay, who lives in Hastinapur?
Pandavas.
Pandavas. Yes. Now, who killed Satyajit?
Krishna.
No.
Devan.
Who killed?
Devan. Krishna.
No. Who is Satyajit? Who were you? Satyajit. Satyajit, you know who was Satyajit? Satyabhama's father, who had the... Yes, Shatadhanvan killed Satyajit. That's correct. Okay, now next question. Whom did Shatadhanvan give the jewel to?
Akrura.
Okay, now who is Akrura? Does anybody know who is Akrura?
One of Krishna's friends.
Krishna's friend.
Krishna's uncle.
Yes. He is Krishna's uncle. That is correct.
Krishna's uncle.
Okay, very nice. Now, how did Krishna kill Shatadhanvan? Yes. Sudarshan Chakra. Does anybody know any story where Sudarshan Chakra protected a devotee of the Lord? Like
Ambarish Maharaj.
Yes,
Ambarish
Maharaj. Yes, that is very correct. Sudarshan Chakra, it can protect and it can as well kill a bad person. That's very nice. So, what did Krishna tell Akrura after he found that Shyamantika jewel was with him? What did Krishna say to him?
You can keep the jewel. You can keep the jewel.
Okay.
When Satyabhama's son grows up, he'll take it.
Yes, he said because he's a wonderful person and a devotee of the Lord, so he said you could keep the jewel because he wanted all the family members and relatives to see that the jewel is still here, isn't it? So he said you could keep till Satyabhama's son grows up and then he can take it. Did anybody have any different answer? I hope so not. No? Okay. Okay, now, Anjana Gopika Mataji will teach us the remaining 2 lines of the shloka. Next. Okay, she'll teach us the shloka and the rhyme today. Okay, now we'll welcome Anjana Gopika Mataji. Okay?
Hari Bol, Hare Krishna.
Krishna.
Mukunda.
We will teach the shloka, okay? You all can
Chat पे कुछ भेज रहा है.
मैंने बोला चैट नहीं करनी है.
Yes, Mataji, let's start the shloka.
कीबोर्ड पे हाथ बिल्कुल नहीं लगाने.
Can you all mute yourself? Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. You all can repeat out from me, okay?
Krishna Mataji. Hey Mataji.
Okay, we will start from the beginning. Vaswan yathasma.
Vasvan
Sakale sunije suteja. Sakale sunije suteja. Swiyam kiyat prakata yatyapi tadvad atra. Brahma yayesa Jagadanda vidana krita. Jagadanda vidana krita. Govindamadi purusam
Govindam Hari Purusham Tamaham Bhajami Tamaham Bhajami
Vaswan ethasma sakalesu.
Stars in the bed.
Vaswan ethasma sakalesu. Nitesu te saha. Okay, again I'll do same line. Vaswan ethasma sakalesu. Nitesu te saha. Swiyam kiyat prakatayat. Swiyam kiyat prakatayat yapi. Tadvat atra. Brahma yayesa. Can you Mataji go? Brahma yayesa. Brahma yayesa. Okay, Brahma yayesa. One second. Brahma yayesa. जगदन्धविधानकृता जगदन्धविधानकृता भास्वान् यथा स्म सकलेषु निजेषु तेजः स्वीयं कियत् प्रकटयत्ययापि तद्वद् अत्र स्वीयं कियत् प्रकटयत्ययापि तद्वद् अत्र यत्यापि तद्वद् अत्र यत्यापि तद्वद् अत्र स्वीयं प्रकटयति यत्यापि प्रकटयत्यापि तद्वद् अत्र ब्रह्मा ययेष जगदन्ध विधानकृता Okay, one more time. Okay, Vaswan yathasma sakalesu nijesu teja. Vaswan yathasma sakalesu nijesu teja. Swayam kiyat prakata yatyapi tadvad atra yatyapi tadvad atra brahma yayesa Jagadanda vidana krita Govindamadi purusam tamaham bhajami Last time, okay? One more last time and you can practice in the you can recite in the break room. Viswan yathasma sakalesu. Fast one. Nijesu teja. Swayam kiyat prakatayatyayapi. Swayam kiyat prakatayatyapi. Tadvad atra Brahma yayesa jagdanda vidhana krita Govinda
Parsham Tamaham Bhartacham.
Okay, we'll do the rhyme. You can all repeat after me. Who is the fighting Hiranyakasipu?
Who's that fighting Hiranyakashipu?
With wonderful claws and very loud roar.
With wonderful claws and a very loud roar.
Who is that fighting Hiranyakasipu?
Who's that fighting Hiranyakashipu?
Who came to save Prahlad Maharaj?
Who came to save Prahlad Maharaj?
Who came to save Prahlad Maharaj?
Who came to save Prahlad Maharaj? Narsimhadev Hari Hari Bol Keshav Tanara Hari Rupa Jai Jagadish Hare Jai Jagadish Hare
Hari
Rupa Jai Jagadish Hare Jai Jagadish Hare
Jai Jagadish Hare.
Mataji, break room, right?
Yes,
Open
yes.
the break room.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, break room is open, Mataji. Everybody is going. I mean, like 10 kids will be going and 10 kids will be staying here. Yes, Mataji, we are 10. We can start, Mataji.
Okay, Hari Bol. Anybody want to try this sloka?
Mataji,
Yes?
could you just say 2 lines?
Yes, yes. Go ahead. 2 line. You can.
Brahmaya esa jagada anda vidhada karta govindam adipurusham tamaham bhajami. Could I say Ram Mataji?
Yes.
Who is fighting Hiranyakashipu with wonderful claws and a very loud roar? Who is that fighting Hiranyakashipu? Who's that? Who came to save Prahlad Maharaj? Who came to save Prahlad Maharaj? Narsimhadev Hari Hari Bol Keshavadita Nara Hari Rupa Jai Jagadish Hare Jai Jagadish Hare Jai Jagadish Hare. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Kesavi.
Mataji, can I see the rhyme?
Yeah, do rhyme and slok both. The first, you want to do rhyme?
I want to do rhyme only.
No, you have to do both. This one, rhyme first. Say rhyme. Sloka, okay. Verse 1.
Baswan
Yathasma sakalesu nijesu teja. You want to repeat after me? Vaswan yathasma sakalesu. Yeah, Baswan yathasma sakalesu nijesu teja. Swayam kiyat prakatayatyapi. Swayam kiyat prakatayatyapi. Tadvad atra. Don't do that. Oh my God, what you are doing? 1 second. Brahmaya esa jagadanda vidana krita govinda
Samadhi Purusam Tamahambajami. Can you see that rhyme? Who is that fighting with Hiranyakashipu with a wonderful claws and very long
loud.
roar?
Who is-
Who is that fighting with Hiranyakashipu who
Okay.
came to save Prahlad Maharaj? Came to save Prahlad Maharaj. Narsimhadev Hari Hari Bol Keshavadrita Nara Hari Rupa Jaya Jagadish Hare Jaya Jagadish Hare.
Thank you. Anybody want to try next?
Me, Mataji.
Yes, go ahead.
Stop fighting Hiranyakashipu. with wonderful cause and very loud roar. Who's the fighting Hiranyakashipu? Who came to save Prahlad Maharaj? Who came to save Prahlad Maharaj? Narasimha, Hari Hari Bol, Keshavadita Nahari, Nahari Rupa, Jaya Jagadishale, Jaya Jagadishale, Jaya Jagadishale. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you. You want to try sloka or it's fine?
Yes, Mataji.
Go ahead.
Pashma,
Etashma
Etashma,
Sakaleshu
Shakareshu,
Nijeshu Tejaha
Nitedu Tejuha,
Swiyam Kiyat
Priyamiket,
Prakatayat Tapi
Prakata Tapi,
Tadavatatra
Tadavataha,
Brahma Yeyesa
Brahmaesa,
Jagadananda
Jaganananda,
Vidana Krita
Vitananda Kita,
Govindam
Govindam,
Adi Purusham
Adi Purusham,
Tamaham Bhajami
Taram Taram,
Bhaja.
Thank you, Mayuk. It's very nice. Next, who wants to go?
Mataji, can I borrow in the say?
Yes, yes. Go ahead.
Who's that?
Who is that fighting Hiranyaksha
Hiranyakashipu.
with a
What?
wonderful heart,
With the wonderful
wonderful claws and very loud roar.
Okay, you can bring later.
Who is that fighting Hiranyakashipu?
Okay.
Who came to save Prahlad Maharaj? Who came to save Prahlad Maharaj? Narsingadev, Hari Hari Bol, Keshavadrita, Narahari Rupa, Jaya Jagadisha Hare, Jaya Jagadisha Hare.
Very well.
Thank you, Janavi.
You want to try sloka, Brinda?
No, Mataji, she did not practice this
Okay,
sloka.
I'll send the today or Mataji can also send.
Yeah, Mataji, we need to send the order.
Yeah.
Can we say the sloka together?
Yes, after some time. Okay, together. First, here somebody say Ayans, and then Manmay. Yeah, you both can do little. Ayans, can you go?
Yes, Mataji.
Bhasvan yathasma
Bhasma, Yathasma,
Sakaleshu
Sakaleshu,
Nijeshu Teja
Nisheshu Tejah,
Sivyam Kiyat
Sevam Kiyat,
Prakatyat
Patayat
Api
Api,
Tadvatra
Tatpatra,
Brahma Yesa
Brahmaya Esa,
Jagadanda
Jagadanda,
Vidhana Karta
Vidana Karta, Govindam Adi Purusham, Tamaham Bhajami.
Who's the fighting Hiranyakashipu
Who is that fighting Hiranyakashipu?
with wonderful claws
Wonderful claws and
very loud roar?
and very loud roar.
Who's that fighting Hiranyakashipu?
Who is that fighting Hiranyakashipu?
Who came to save Prahlad Maharaj?
Who came to save the Prahlad Maharaj? Narsimhadev. Hari Hari Bol. Keshavadrita Narayana Prabhu. Jagadisha Hare, Jai Jagadisha Hare, Jai Jagadisha Hare. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Ayans. It's very nice. Manmay Krishna, do you want to go next?
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Hare Krishna.
Who's that fun with Hiranyakashipu? With wonderful claws and a big loud roar. Roar! Who's that fun with Hiranyakashipu? Who came to say Karaja? Marada Maharaj. Save Kara Maharaj. Narasimhadev. Haribo Keshavajita Haribupa Chikadadishare Chijakadishare Nasamaje Haribo.
Thank you, Manmay Krishna. Thank you. Madhav, you want to try next?
Okay, so Baswan Yatasma Sakaleshu Nijeshu Teja Gatti Chappa Swiyam Kiyat Prakatayatya Yathi Api Tadvat Atra Brahma Yaesha Jagadanda Vidhana Karta Go
Govinda Madi Purusha Tamaham Bhajami.
Who is
That fighting
Hiranyakashipu with wonderful claws and very loud roar? Who is that? Gattiga.
Hiranyaksha.
Hiranyakashipu who came to save Prahlad Maharaj.
Hari Bol.
Nar-
Nice film.
Keshava
Sita.
Narahari Rupa
Jaya
Jaya
Jagadisha
Hare Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare. Thank you, Hare Krishna Mataji.
Thank
Thank
you,
you
Hare
so
Krishna.
much. Thank you so much, Madhav. Is there anybody else who didn't get chance who want to try? Mukunda is there.
Balavinda. Mataji, can I do the rhyme?
No, you already.
You already did Balavirinda. Mukunda didn't get chance, and then Vaishnavi is there.
Can me and Balavinda say the rhyme? I mean the
Sloka?
sloka.
Yes, go ahead. You did. Balavirinda didn't do the slokas. Okay. Vaswan Ethasma Sakaleswala. Both. Balavirinda and Janvi. Everyone la. Vasman Ethasma Sakaleswala. Swayam kiyat prakatayat yapi tadvad atra.
Brahmaya Yesha Jagadhanda Vidhana Karta Govinda Madi
Mataji, we can see your WhatsApp, Mataji.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much everyone for learning so nicely. You all are very, very nice. Thank you.
No.
Thank you all the kids. Now we can pay our obeisances to all the Vaishnava devotees. Say bye. Namo Namah.
Mataji, could I say the translation, Mataji?
Yes.
Mataji, could I say the translation?
Gopika Mataji ki jai.
Mataji, can I say the translation?
Yes, both of you fast.